Hi everybody, this is a small video showing you how to rename a matrix column name. So we have a matrix created here and I would wish to change the column headers for these two columns. To do that you have to have your matrix selected, and under visualization you have your values selected. So you can click on the arrow for which you wish to change the name. So I would like to change the first currency. So if I click on this, I have an option called rename for this visual. Click on that. I rename this column and I would like to rename this also. So that is rename for visual. That's it. This would rename the column names in your visuals. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.